Here we go. Happy Friday, everyone. My name is Jeffrey Jones. I happen to be a spokesman for our website called theboxmen.com, where we've changed the way that you should watch TV. Our website is www.theboxxmen.com. We are theboxmen.com. And in this short video, we're going to take a look at the Gboard virtual keyboard versus the Leankey, that which one is better for a Formuler device. So let's jump right into it. Now, I want to thank everyone that this year, as we close out the year, for supporting this little channel called The Stream Machines. It's very important that you hear my heart on this. I am so very appreciative for those that give me thumbs up, follow the content, and think I know everything about formulas. I am learning like you are, but I am so grateful for those that tune in. If you could do me a favor every time you watch, give me a thumbs up. It really helps me build this channel, especially with the algorithm of YouTube. We're going to jump right on in. Now, every Formuler device has an option for a virtual keyboard to put an external keyboard there to use. And in their market, they give you a choice between the Gboard, which is the Google keyboard by default, or you can find one called Leankey. And you would find that in the market. You just press the thumbnail, green thumbnail with the shopping cart. And once you go all the way down to utilities, like right here, here it is, Leankey keyboard. All right. And one of the things I love about it is a lot of people say they like the multilingual keyboard for Android TV boxes. It works not only with Formuler, but all the other Android TV boxes as well. All right. So let's just take a look really quick at some of the subtle differences of that. Let me go to the home page. So I just like doing a little bit of research if you could. And I'm going to go down here to Zeus TV browser. And I'm going to make this bigger a little bit. So I just did a little search. And it says the Gboard, and the difference is Gboard and Leankey are both keyboard apps, but they have some differences. Features: Gboard is a virtual keyboard app that includes Google search, predictive typing, and the ability to share and search with emojis or GIFs. Leanboard is an app that can be used on an Android TV. They don't really go into a lot about the Leanboard different features. Now, by default, Gboard is on this device and probably on a lot of different devices, but you can always change it, especially on a Formuler. So let's go ahead and hit the home button, and I'll show you where we can make that change so you can see it. If you push to the right, you're going to highlight this settings wheel and press OK. You're then going to go down to device preferences. Make sure it's highlighted. Press the OK button. Then you're going to go down to keyboards. You can see that the keyboard is Gboard. But if I want to change the keyboard, I can hit this from here. Hang on. Let me hit back. I'll go to Manage Keyboard. You'll see I need to turn on Leankey keyboard and acknowledge OK. So then I can hit the back arrow and go back a page. I'll click on current keyboard. Now I can choose between the two. All right. So let's take a look at the layout of the Gboard, and then we'll come back and take a look at the layout of the Leankey. All right. So I'm going to hit the home button on the remote. I'm going to go over to the Google Play Store. Press OK. I'll push up, push to the left, push down, and then this is the Gboard keyboard. So as I type, let's say I go B, you can see it just starts giving you predictive here, something you're thinking about. So let's say I go here. So I put bum, then you got bumble, BFF, bumpy, bumble. So it's predictive typing. So it makes it pretty easy to go to the symbols as well. Very compact, it's there, and it does use the voice pretty well. I'm on a different remote, so I can't test it, but I have tested it. This is what I've always used before, and I like it to a certain point. I'll show you the subtle differences. So predictive typing is there, and if I wanted to do something, or attach a GIF or something else, I can definitely do it with this. All right. So let's switch keyboards really quick and come back. So again, to do that, we're going to go over to the settings wheel, press OK. And then we're going to go down to device preferences, press OK. Then we're going to go down to keyboard and we're going to switch to Leankey, right? And then we'll hit the back arrow a couple of times to get back to the home page. And now I'm going to go over to the Google Play Store. So you can see the difference, up, left, down, right. Look at the difference. It's a lot wider to me. If I wanted to copy here, I can do that to the clipboard, right? I like the fact, I like how wide it is, and I want to search here. So I want to, it doesn't, go left to right, or it does go left to right. What I'm saying is it just feels a lot smoother to me. And I like my keyboards wide, not compact. And so the numbers, I don't have to switch to numbers like on the Gboard. You have to switch to numbers. The numbers here are at the top. So everything you actually need other than the symbols, like a colon or whatever it might be, is right on the first page. So you got your numbers and all of your letters, plus your @ symbol, your /, your period. Everything you kind of need here is right here. So let's see if it does predictive typing. So I'm going to go, let's go Rumble, RUM. There it is. So you see, I typed in RUM, and then it's going to give me that, and then I'll do a B. So the this predictive typing is right here as well, where it said it didn't have it. I see that they added it. So you got the Rumble or whatever you're looking for, and it just feels a lot easier for me because it's a wider keyboard. Now, if I were you, I would test these, see which one you prefer. I know that sounds like a very small thing, but if you're using your media device like I do, or like the majority of the people that are like me, you're doing a lot of different, adding and searching and putting things in your device so you can get the most out of it. I'm not talking about things that keep it running. I'm just talking about things that you might find that you want to do. You want to add some different things to make your experience with your media device one to remember. So having the little things like the keyboard matter, because if it's very hard or tedious just to type in a website address, forget about it. I'm not interested. All right. As I close out the video, I want to thank everyone again for tuning in to this short video. I'm going to close and wish everyone a Merry Christmas. I'm going to put in the description of the video some of the best deals that we have as we close out this Christmas season. I just want to say thank you to everyone. Make a deal with me as we get ready to close out the year. I can get your devices way before Christmas, and I'll give you a great deal. So check out the videos below. Contact us and ask us for the deal, and we'll get you one of the best devices out there. Let's